Discover how an in-house medical room can transform emergency response and healthcare within your community. Quick access to medical care minimizes response times, potentially saving lives. Comprehensive medical services, routine checkups, emergency care, and general health services right at your doorstep. In addition to emergency care, the in-house medical room offers comprehensive checkups to monitor the health of individuals and provide necessary treatments or referrals. General medical services are also provided, addressing common healthcare needs and promoting overall well-being.
Lastly, our medical room services provide drug administration under the medical guidance of our online consulting doctor, administering IV fluids, injections, wound care, hemoglobin level checks, vaccination administration, and access to quality health care right at their doorstep.